this is the Miscellaneous 68, and today we're here with a new Trainz series. Anyway, today, what I plan to do, not today, it'll take a while, but I plan to make a high-speed railway. Sounds pretty good. It's going to be a bit of a challenge, but I reckon with a little bit of hard graft we can get there. So, the first thing we need to do is get a station. So we're going to track side. Oh wait, missed it. Missed it again, right there. We're not gonna need that, that's a bit antiquated. Anyway, scrolly dwarf. Aha, that'll do. Aha, here we are. Now, this isn't gonna be quite big enough, but we can extend the platforms. I'll show you that later. So anyway, we're gonna have to get some gravel or ballast. Oh, big. No radius down. So anyway, pretty gravel and some track. We're not gonna want wood track, we want concrete track. So I think that's in Europe. Greasy. Apparently it's not. So Germany, Queensland. It might be in here. Nope. Bridgeland. Nope, not in Germany. USA, surely. Oh, hang on. Aha, that's the stuff I want. Concrete. Anyway, you may have noticed it's not exactly lined up, but with this tool, which I could also press M to use, you can move it about. Look at that. And we need to add some more here. Zoom in. By the way, you zoom in using the mouse wheel. So move that forward to there. That will do it. And then this thing to move there. Yeah, that'll do. So now that we've done that, we should really, well, we need to electrify it first because we need higher speeds, and for higher speeds to be attainable we need what's called catenary, and that's basically the electricity stuff that you need. There we are. Sometimes it doesn't stay. I don't think it's going to in this case. So in that case, we'll have to use a different type. RO. Oh, come on! Blumenek. Europe. Come on. I'll pause the recording and when we've got it done Anyway, so now I've added the catenaries. I went for the double stuff. So this is going to be still quite laggy, so we're going to add some more track here. I didn't say here and there, but no, just here. Just here, methinks. Okay. So this is going to be our amazing, but it will probably fail, high-speed line. So that's our terminus, but it does look a bit bland. So let's add some buildings to this place. Britain doesn't really have any, so America has some amazing buildings. If we just click on all. this kind of thing. We could even have, apparently, this weird sort of thing that's like a miniature White House, only with a green dome. Supermarket, surveyor, terminus, Tower 1. Let's add some skyscrapers. Why not? Why not? These do get pretty big. Like that one's pretty big. Yep. Or we could build a huge terminus like this, but that's a bit OTT for my liking. So we'll stick with our little one for now, and then we'll extend the platforms when we find out how. Wow, we've got a huge building. We've got more huge buildings. So yeah. Well, those are really nice. I like those. We'll put a few of those around the place to make it look more like a city. The thing is, if we cover it up, people won't ever know. A tower. We can move these about. I'm just adding them randomly for the minute, so that we can twizzle them round and then move it back. Because then it will look awesome. I do realise most of this is going to be me just sort of adjusting things, but you'll get used to it eventually, because you will, don't worry. Because if you've ever played this game, also in the comments below, please tell me what you think of this. From last episode I found out this is, well, the last time we looked at this game, I found out this is version 1.5. If anyone knows anything about this game, then please inform me of what that means, or something, because that would be really, really nice. So yeah, so this for now is City A. This is our first bit of line. This is City A. I think, oh, we might add a nice little park bit round here, so we can have some, not boggy grass, some like a grassy nice area. Right here, little park either side, because trains are good for the environment or something. If you live in Britain, you'll know that at the time I probably released this, there's a lot of rain, and yeah, and the government blamed it on the environment, and that's probably true. But oh well. Oh dear. Right, foliage. No, not Austria. Oh, Australia, sorry. Oh dear, what the hell just happened? Oh well, continue. Right, a little issue with antivirus software, but no matter. This will go forward unabated. Tree group. Yep, that's nice, like that. Yeah, that's my little green area. And then, obviously, we're gonna have probably more platforms. Now I'll show you the platforms that you can get. So, go on to Queensland, and then trackside, and eventually we'll get to, maybe not, I'm a bit rusty. Aha, here it is. No, not fence, platform. Extra platform, all with ramps, but don't really want. Well, we could have that at the minute, but then it would ramp there. So on, no ramps. Trackside platform queue. That's Queens and Railway, but they're just extra platforms you can add. Obviously, we can't add an extra one in the middle. But, oh well. Beggars can't be choosers, I suppose. Now, this is the wrong way round, but we can change this by doing this. And we can swap this round if we bring that over here. So we should probably zoom in a bit more. So this is City A. We're working. This isn't going well. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Yes, I can. So yeah, so our objective is to get to City B, wherever we want City B to be. In fact, if you want, think of names for the cities, because that might help. But we might even want longer platforms than that, because I mean, now they have twice the capacity, but yeah, they can't be. We can't do no harm. We can't do any harm by having more. Well, more. You want more? Yeah. Do, and then add some more track. So yeah. So we're heading out of City A for our long journey. There may be some intermediate stops, there may not be. I might as well paint it all grey, because is there anything for pavements? Oh dear, my phone's finished charging. Wait, hang on, I'll sort that out. Okay, so now Europe. What's this? Nothing, apparently. Germany, right. Concrete, yeah, concrete. Let's just put concrete everywhere. What? It's a city. It needs concrete. It needs badass. It needs to be badass concrete everywhere. Because it's a city. Cities, there's a skyscraper in the way. Sorry, you're in the way. We're painting a city. Oh. So, in my mind, this is already going quite well. In yours, it may not be. But yeah. So yeah. So I think now we're going to draw the tracks into a sort of... There's nothing on the horizon, but there can be some hills and trees and stuff. Not concrete, we want gravel! Like this gravel for my track bed. Perfect. Jimmy Gravel, like Jimmy Savile, only with gravel. Anyway, we need to add some fences into this. Stop people getting on the track and messing it all up. Because people would kill you. Well, because you spent ages building this high-speed rail, you don't want people walking all over it. I mean, really? Do you really? Is that what you want? I mean, no, you don't. You don't want that, do you? Fence barbed wire. That ought to keep them out. Right then, let's probably zoom in and show you what this does. Right, a barbed wire fence to keep idiots out. Number 1, no idiots. No idiots allowed on the railway. Get out. So yeah, this is our high-speed railway from City A to possibly City B. There's possibly going to be a City C in between. maybe City X, because that's mathematics. But yeah. How you like me now? Yeah, how you like me now? Oh god, please. No, no. 2-track concrete. Can I not have 1-track concrete? Oh, I can. I can. Phew, panic over. Boof, boof, beep, 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 beep. Bearing in mind, this is supposed to be high speed. I don't know whether it's going to be. I would add levers, but that's not very high speed-esque, but it's got to be done. And we'll rename them City A.1 and also rename please City A. Until someone suggests something to call cities, then it's still just City A. City A.2. Right then, so this is our new high-speed, excellent, our railway of excellence and brilliance. We will have probably because the only high-speed, well, proper high-speed train you can get in this is the TGV. Probably be using something like that. Anyway, I know this video isn't going to be terribly popular because, let's face it, my videos never are. They never were that popular, and they never will be, most probably. And I've made a catastrophic mistake. Okay, fine then, delete. I would skip the video, but what's the fun in that? Well, actually, for you it saves time. For me, it's a pain in the arse because it takes ages to compress this video and then feed it into Windows Movie Maker and do stuff. Yes, I make my videos in Windows Movie Maker. Oh well, what's wrong with that? Nothing. Nothing wrong with Windows Movie Maker. There never has been and there never will be. Actually, I'm using Live Movie Maker. Microsoft, I do endorse your products. Woo, go me. I know no one's gonna care. So, feature not a lot of people know about. Extend section. Go. So that's topology. This top bit. Advanced. Extend section. Boom. So then you don't just have that. You have a huge area about the size of the world. Not really. But you can add as many as you like. But there are certain things you can do. Like you can use height. You can add hills and stuff. Don't really want to add hills. There'll be a small sort of embankmenty area, plateau the top of it, because we're going to add the top. No, I hate it. Doesn't make for very realistic hills, it has to be said. Doesn't make very realistic. Well, they look alright when they're painted up to look nice, like this sort of colour. But they need to be plateaued off like this. Oh dear. Okay, painty. Okay, let's do some more painty skills. So yeah, a high-speed line. It's gonna be amazing and better than anything you've ever seen, and better than the Japanese bullet train, or Shinkansen as they know it. So yeah, we're leaving City A behind for City B. And yeah, probably do some work off camera, but anyway, I'll keep going for now. I'll keep going, no matter how long this is gonna take to make. I know these videos aren't especially popular, but so yeah, we probably want a really long straight from here onwards. Like, what? Yep, that'll do it. Oh wait, hang on. I've just realised a problem. I'm gonna have to electrify all this. We could have a few, just a few, not many, but you know, a few problems with that. I know quite a few people would. Quite a few people would have problems with this because it will take absolutely ages. Oh well. Actually, because this is boring and it's going to literally be, I'll probably pause the video now and I'll be back when it's done. Anyway, as you can see, I've electrified all of it, but unfortunately for you, this is all we've got time for. So goodbye, and please subscribe, comment, do all the rest of the stuff.